The American Paint Horse. The American Paint Horse is a very common breed thanks to its flashy coloring, genial nature, and flexibility. In fact, the American Paint Horse Association counts around 1 lakh members in approximately 40 countries around the world. Paint horses can suit riders and owners of all experience level. The top in many equestrian sports as working horses and as solid general riding horses. Breed overview. Weight between 950 to 1200 pounds. Height between 14 hands 56 inches to 16 hands 64 inches. Body type of these breeds are strong, well balanced body, colorful coat patterns, powerful hindquarters, best for the owners and riders of all levels. Life expectancy can be for 30 years. Paint horse history and origins. In the 1500s, Spanish travelers carried the ancestor of the paint horse breed to North America. These horses had barb, Andalusians and Arabian bloodlines and sported unique spotted and two-tone coloring. In fact, various specialities believe explorer Hernando Cortés brought a particular sorrel and white stallion to North America, from which the modern paint breed might be descended. Many of these horses ended up roaming wild across the continent, catching their eyes of Native Americans. They adopted and bred the horses, admiring them for their coat patterns, power, and sociable characters. British colonists ultimately introduced thoroughbreds to the gene pool, resulting in a sturdy working horse that was extremely brainy and steady on the trail. Some of the horses reserved their spot while others were solid in color. Until 1940, paints shared a gene pool with quarter horses, at which time the American Quarters Horse Association formed and excluded horses with too much white, meaning all paints, from its registry. How the multicolored horses stayed popular, and ultimately the American Paint Quarter Horse Association and the American Stock Horse Association formed the two joined in 1965. 2. From today's American Paint Horse Association, which preserves the breed registry. Paint horses size. The paint horses stands between 14 hands 56 inches and 16 hands 64 inches on average. Those with thoroughbreds hereditary are usually on the taller side. The average weight ranges from 950 to 1200 pounds, a little heavyweight than various full-size horse breeds. Paint horse breeding and uses. Beside their distinctive coat patterns, paint horse were bred for their sociability, cool behavior, cleverness, athleticism, and trainability. Due to their strength, speed, agility, and stamina, they were by tradition used for transportation and work. Today, paint horses are a very multi-purpose breed with representative in almost every equine sport. You'll find them barrel racing, jumping in the stadium, and in cross-country events, working cattle, trail riding, combined driving, and much more. In addition, several individual paint horses discover success in many equine sports or activities, colors, and markings. The paint's unique coat patterns can happen in any mixture of white, plus another color such as bay, black, palomino, or chestnut. The patterns and color differ greatly, and no two horses are accurately the same. Some paint horses are a solid or almost solid color. Paint horses display several named color patterns. The three main ones are Tobiano. These horses generally have a color over one or both flanks, with rounded white patches around the withers and tail. The head is colored and can have markings such as stars, blazed, or stripes. The tail and mane hair can be of two colors. Overall, horses with these patterns have irregular white patches across their bodies. However, their back are generally a solid color. The legs are colored but can have white stockings. The face is mostly white. Two Overo. These horses are generally white on the body, white the upper head, chest, and flank areas are a color. Some Toro horses have blue eyes. All coat patterns may interspersed with white hairs, known as roan. In addition, paints might have any of the typical equine facial and leg markings. Unique characteristics of paint horse. The colored coat patterns are fairly the main horse's most unique traits, but the breed is about far more than color. Its color pattern and marking combined with its muscular, well-balanced stature to generate a really outstanding physical look. Beyond their beauty, paints are prized for their sociable, even-tempered nature. These are calm and greatly social horses with natural intellect that makes them unchallenging and satisfying to train. Diet and nutrition. A general equine diet of quality grass, hay, grains, and some fruit and veggies is suitable for a paint horse. Some vitamin and mineral supplementation might be essential, but it's significant not to overfeed your horse, as these breeds has a tendency towards obesity. Common horse and behavior problems. Paint horse are usually easy to work with and absence notable behavior problem, but they are disposed to a few hereditary health problems, comprising some that also runs in quarter horses and thoroughbreds bloodline. One genetic disease associated with paints is lethal white syndrome. Some horses can just be carriers to the gene and have normal lives, but foals with two copies of the gene are typically born with a white coat and blue eyes on the inside of their intestines haven't fully developed, so they rapidly show signs of colic. Because there is no cure for the illness and the foals generally die within a few days. Human euthanasia is recommended. Additional, some paints also may be disposed to hyperkalemia, periodic paralysis, a genetic disorder that causes muscles twisting and weakness, and some are at threat of hereditary equine regional dermal asthenia, a disorder that weakens tissue. These problems usually affect quarter horses as well. Grooming. Standard equine grooming practices will conserve the paint's beautiful coat. Brush and comb your horse at medium once or twice a week to eliminate dust, debris, and knots. And make it a daily practice to inspect your horse hooves for debris, infection, and injuries. Pros: calm and friendly, Easy to train, beautiful coat patterns. Cons: prone to some genetic disorders. Champion and celebrity paint horses. First paint stallion registered was a black and white Trebbiano named Bandest Pinto. Another paint stallion named Gunner, born in 1993, was known for noble nature and athleticism, amazing many equine competition wins. In addition, Gunner sired multiple champion horses. Is the paint horse right for you? The flexible, friendly breed is perfect for anybody who loves horses, including beginning equestrians. Paints are affectionate companions and easy to ride, yet they will step up eagerly to the rigors of competitions and work. They are obedient and ambitious to satisfy their riders and owners, making them easy to train. They also are usually healthy and easy keepers, frequently needing a little less food than an average horse. How to adopt or buy a paint horse? Thanks to their reputation, paint horses are usually easy to find the adopt or buy. They cost between $1,000 and $5,000 on average, although that amount can vary depending on the horse's age, health, training, and pedigree. When searching for a horse, purpose to visit it at a breeder or rescue organization before committing. Make sure the organization can deliver information on the horse's history, health, temperament, and training, and have its training demonstrated for you if possible. Also, look out for possible red flags such as lameness or labored breathing, which may point towards wounded or sickness.